Welcome back, home gardeners. Are you tired of buying expensive ginger at the grocery store only to watch it shrivel up in your fridge? What if I told you that you could grow an endless supply of fresh, organic ginger right in your own home, even if you live in a tiny apartment or have never grown anything before? Today I'm sharing the simple hacks and basic techniques that'll help you turn one piece of store-bought ginger into a never-ending supply. Whether you love cooking with fresh ginger, want to save money on groceries, or simply want to ensure you never run out of this amazing superfood, these easy methods will change everything. We're covering 15 simple ways to grow ginger at home, from the absolute beginner method that works on any windowsill, to slightly more advanced techniques that can supply your entire family's ginger needs. Plus, I'll share the basic storage hacks that keep your homegrown ginger fresh for months. Ready to become ginger self-sufficient? Let's get growing. Method 1. The simple grocery store start. Let's start with the easiest way to begin, using regular ginger from your grocery store. This method costs just a few dollars and works for complete beginners. Head to your grocery store and look for organic ginger with visible eyes or bumps, those little pointed spots along the ginger. Choose pieces that feel firm and heavy, avoiding anything that looks dried out or moldy. Fresh, plump ginger works best. Once home, place your ginger piece in a bowl of lukewarm water and let it soak overnight. This simple hack removes any chemicals that might prevent sprouting and gets the ginger ready to grow. If you have a large piece, you can cut it into smaller sections. Just make sure each piece has at least 2 to 3 of those little eye bumps. But here's the game-changing trick that most people miss. I'm about to show you the paper towel method that gets your ginger sprouting in half the time. Method 2. The paper towel sprouting hack. This simple trick dramatically improves your success rate and gets visible results much faster than planting directly in soil. All you need is paper towels and a plastic bag. Take your soaked ginger pieces and wrap them in damp paper towels. Place the wrapped ginger in a plastic bag, leaving it slightly open for air circulation. Put this in a warm spot like the top of your refrigerator or near a heating vent. Check every few days to keep the paper towels moist but not soaking wet. In 1-3 weeks, you'll see green shoots starting to emerge from those eyes. This method lets you see exactly when your ginger is ready to plant, eliminating the guesswork of soil growing. And here's an even simpler trick. Wait until you see the cutting board method that works with just a damp towel and takes zero space. Method 3. The cutting board sprouting trick. This method is perfect if you don't want to commit to containers yet, but want to see if your ginger will actually sprout. All you need is a cutting board and a kitchen towel. Place your soaked ginger pieces on a cutting board and cover with a damp kitchen towel. Keep the towel moist by misting it daily with a spray bottle. Place the whole setup in a warm spot like the top of your refrigerator. Check daily to keep the towel damp but not dripping wet. In 1 to 2 weeks, you'll see green shoots starting to emerge. This method gives you confidence that your ginger is viable before you invest in soil and containers. Once sprouted, you can move to any of the other growing methods. Now here's the jar of water method that lets you watch your ginger grow roots right before your eyes. It's absolutely amazing and requires zero soil. All you need is a clear jar, water, and your sprouted ginger piece. Place your sprouted ginger in a wide-mouthed jar with the green shoots above water and any developing roots submerged. Use just enough water to cover the bottom portion. Don't submerge the whole piece or it might rot. Change the water every 3-4 days to keep it fresh, and place the jar in bright indirect light like a kitchen window. You'll be amazed watching the root system develop through the clear glass. This method provides baby ginger for cooking in 3-4 months, and is perfect for apartments or small spaces. But here's a windowsill hack that's perfect for apartments. I'm about to show you how to create the perfect ginger growing spot using just a sunny window. Method 5. The windowsill container method. This method is perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited space but a sunny window. You can grow substantial amounts of ginger on just a windowsill. Use shallow, wide containers like old baking dishes or plastic storage containers with drainage holes poked in the bottom. Fill with basic potting soil and plant your sprouted ginger pieces about 1 inch deep. Place on a south-facing windowsill where they'll get 6 hours of light daily. The key is using saucers under containers to catch excess water and rotating containers weekly so all sides get equal light. This simple setup can produce enough ginger for regular cooking needs. Now here's where things get exciting. the basic pot method that can produce pounds of ginger with just regular potting soil. It's simple, reliable, and produces substantial harvest. Choose a wide, shallow pot at least 12 inches across and 8 to 10 inches deep. Fill with regular potting soil mixed with some compost if you have it. Plant your sprouted ginger pieces about 2 inches deep with the shoots pointing up, spacing them 6 inches apart. Water gently and place in a warm spot that gets bright, indirect light. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Ginger hates wet feet. In 2 to 4 weeks, you'll see green shoots emerging. And within 8 to 10 months you'll have full-size ginger ready to harvest. And here's an ultra-budget hack. Wait until you see how plastic bottles can become perfect ginger growing containers for absolutely free. Method 7. The plastic bottle growing hack. This zero-cost method uses recycled plastic bottles to create perfect mini greenhouses for ginger growing. It's ideal for beginners who want to try growing without spending money. Cut 2-liter plastic bottles in half. Poke drainage holes in the bottom half, and fill with potting soil. Plant your sprouted ginger and use the top half as a humidity dome by inverting it over the bottom. Remove the cap for ventilation and mist the inside occasionally to maintain humidity. The clear plastic creates a mini greenhouse effect that ginger loves. This method works great for starting multiple plants cheaply, and you can graduate to larger containers as plants grow. Now here's a space-saving hack that doubles your harvest, the grow bag method that creates portable ginger gardens. Method 8. The grow bag hack. Fabric grow bags are a game changer for ginger growing. They're portable, provide excellent drainage, and you can easily check on your ginger's progress. Plus they cost just a few dollars each. Use a 15 to 20 gallon fabric grow bag filled with a simple mix of potting soil and compost. The beauty of grow bags is that you can move them to follow sunlight, bring them indoors during cold weather, or simply relocate them as needed. Plant 5 to 7 ginger pieces in each bag for a substantial harvest. The fabric allows excess water to drain while providing excellent root aeration. At harvest time you can simply dump the entire bag to collect your ginger. No digging required. And here's a warming trick that costs nothing. Wait until you see how old newspapers can speed up your ginger growing in cold climates. Method 9. The newspaper warming trick. This simple hack helps ginger grow faster in cooler climates or during winter months using something you probably have lying around, old newspapers. Wrap your ginger containers in 2 to 3 layers of newspaper, securing with tape or rubber bands. The newspaper acts as insulation, keeping soil temperatures warmer and more stable. This is especially helpful for windowsill or outdoor growing during cooler months. You can also lay newspapers on soil surface as mulch. They retain heat during the day and slowly release it at night. As they decompose, they add organic matter to the soil. This zero-cost method can increase growing speed by maintaining the warm temperatures ginger loves. Now here's the indoor growing hack that works year-round, setting up a simple indoor ginger garden using basic household items. Method 10. The indoor growing setup. Turn any indoor space into a ginger growing area. With this simple setup that works regardless of your climate or season. Perfect for apartments or cold climates. Set up near a south-facing window or use a basic LED grow light positioned 12-18 inches above your plants. Maintain temperatures between 70-80 pft. Room temperature works fine for most homes. Use a humidity tray, just a saucer filled with pebbles and water to add moisture around your plants. The key is consistency. Ginger loves stable conditions more than perfect conditions. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, provide good air circulation with a small fan and be patient. Indoor ginger takes a bit longer but works beautifully year-round. And here's the succession planting secret that ensures you never run out. I'm showing you how to time multiple plantings for continuous harvests. Method 11. The succession planting method. This simple timing technique ensures you always have fresh ginger ready to harvest by staggering your plantings throughout the year. Start a new container of ginger every 6 to 8 weeks, using any of the methods we've covered. This creates a continuous cycle where you're always growing and harvesting different stages of ginger throughout the year. Keep a simple calendar noting when you plant each container and when to expect harvests. This way you'll have baby ginger available every few months and mature ginger ready for storage on a rotating basis. It's the secret to never running out of homegrown ginger. But here's something really cool. The companion planting trick that helps your ginger grow better using plants you probably already have. Method 12. The companion planting trick. This simple technique uses other plants to create better growing conditions for your ginger, helping everything grow better together. Plant herbs like basil, mint, or lemongrass in the same container or nearby pots. These companions help create the humid microclimate that ginger loves, while also giving you multiple harvests from the same space. You can also use sweet potato vines as a living mulch. They provide the dappled shade that ginger prefers while their roots help improve soil structure. This mimics how ginger grows naturally in tropical forest under other plants. And here's the container rotation hack that maximizes your space. Wait until you see how moving containers can double your growing area. Method 13. The container rotation system. This space-maximizing technique helps you grow more ginger in the same area by strategically moving containers to follow sunlight and optimize growing conditions. Set up a simple rotation schedule where you move containers weekly to ensure all plants get equal light exposure. Start containers in the brightest spots, then rotate them through different locations as they mature and can tolerate less ideal conditions. Use rolling plant caddies or place containers on towels for easy moving. This system lets you grow twice as many plants in the same space while ensuring optimal light for all your ginger. It's perfect for balconies, patios, or small yards with limited growing area. Now here's the harvesting secret that determines whether you get tender baby ginger or mature storage ginger. Timing makes all the difference. Method 14. The two-stage harvesting method. Knowing when and how to harvest gives you two completely different products from the same plant. Master this timing and you'll always have fresh ginger available. For baby ginger, tender, no peeling required. Harvest after 45 months when the plants are actively growing. Carefully dig around the edges and take what you need while leaving the main plant to continue growing. Baby ginger has thin skin and mild flavor. Perfect for fresh use. For mature ginger storage variety, wait 8 to 10 months until the leaves start turning yellow and dying back. This ginger has thick skin, intense flavor, and stores for months. Harvest the whole plant, save the best pieces for replanting, and enjoy the rest. And speaking of storage, here are the simple tricks that keep your homegrown ginger fresh for months without any special equipment. Method 15. Basic storage and preservation hacks. Proper storage extends your ginger's life from weeks to months using simple household methods. These basic techniques ensure you always have fresh ginger available. For fresh storage, brush off soil but don't wash until ready to use. Store in the refrigerator wrapped in paper towels inside a perforated plastic bag. This maintains humidity while preventing mold and keeps ginger fresh for 4 to 6 weeks. For long-term storage, slice ginger thinly and air dry on racks, then store in airtight jars. You can also freeze whole pieces. Frozen ginger actually grates easier than fresh. For daily use, grate fresh ginger and freeze in ice cube trays with a little water for perfect portions. But here's something most people throw away that's actually valuable. Wait until you learn what to do with ginger leaves and how they can benefit your family. Using the whole plant, don't waste any part of your ginger plant. The leaves and stems offer unique benefits that complement the root. Here's how to use everything you grow. Young ginger leaves make excellent tea with a milder, more aromatic flavor than root ginger. Simply dry the leaves and steep like any herbal tea. They're traditionally used for digestive issues and have different beneficial compounds than the root. You can also use fresh ginger leaves to wrap fish or vegetables before steaming. This ancient technique adds subtle flavor while the leaves' natural properties help preserve the food. Even the stems can be chopped and added to stir-fries for extra ginger flavor. Now here's the troubleshooting guide that prevents the most common beginner mistakes. These simple fixes can save your entire crop. Basic troubleshooting, common problems and simple fixes. Even beginners can avoid most ginger growing problems by recognizing these simple warning signs and knowing the easy fixes. Problem 1. Ginger not sprouting after 4 months. Fix. Check that soil stays warm 70 proof and consistently moist but not soggy. Move to a warmer location if needed. Problem 2. Leaves turning yellow during active growth. Fix. Usually means too much water. Reduce watering frequency and improve drainage by adding perlite to soil. Problem 3. Slow, weak growth. Fix. Increase warmth and humidity. Move closer to heat source and use humidity trays. Feed monthly with diluted liquid fertilizer. Problem 4. Soft, mushy rhizomes. Fix. This is root rot from overwatering. Reduce watering immediately and improve soil drainage. And here's the multiplication secret that turns your success into a never-ending ginger supply for your whole family. The multiplication method: never buy ginger again. Once you've successfully grown your first crop, this simple technique ensures you never have to buy ginger again. It's the secret to true ginger self-sufficiency. When harvesting, always save the best rhizomes with strong, healthy eyes for replanting. One successful ginger plant can provide 6 to 9 more planting pieces for next season. Start new plants every 3 to 4 months to create a continuous harvest cycle. Share excess ginger with friends and neighbors. They'll often trade other homegrown produce or plants in return. Many growers build networks of plant swaps that provide variety and backup stock. Within 2 years you can go from one store-bought piece to supplying your entire extended family. But here's the simple economics that'll motivate you to start today. Let me show you exactly how much money this saves your family. Creating your year-round ginger supply. Combine these basic methods into a simple system that provides fresh ginger 365 days a year. This approach ensures true ginger self-sufficiency for your family. Start 3 to 4 containers at different times, spacing new plantings 3 months apart. This creates a continuous harvest cycle where you're always growing and harvesting different stages of ginger. Use a mix of indoor and outdoor growing to extend seasons. Keep a simple notebook tracking when you plant and expect to harvest each container. Include the jar water method for quick fresh ginger and the pot method for bulk harvest. This rotation system means you'll have baby ginger available monthly and mature ginger quarterly. The beauty is its simplicity: no complex equipment or advanced techniques required, just basic planning and patience. Growing your own ginger using these 15 simple hacks isn't complicated. It's actually one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow at home. From the basic jar method for beginners to the year-round supply system for families, these techniques can transform you from ginger buyer to ginger grower. Every method we've covered uses basic supplies you can find at any garden center, and most work perfectly in apartments or small spaces. The key is starting simple and building your confidence with easy successes. Which basic method are you going to try first? Are you starting with the simple jar method or jumping into the basic pot growing? Share your plans in the comments below. I love helping beginners get started and troubleshoot any challenges. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if these simple hacks inspired you to start growing ginger, and subscribe for more basic gardening techniques and money-saving tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our beginner-friendly growing guides. Until next time, keep it simple, start small, and enjoy the incredible satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh homegrown ginger.